Hi friends, today we're going to start practicing math using this book. It's called Time, Money, and Fractions. So before you watch any more of this video, go and get this book ready because we're going to do some pages together. Press pause if you need to. Okay, here we go. So today we're going to start practicing money. I know you know a lot of your coins already, but this is going to be a little bit of extra practice. So we're going to open our books up to the very first page. We're going to be practicing pennies, nickels, and dimes. Before we start, there's a little bit of counting practice that I want to do with you. We're going to practice counting by ones, by fives, and by tens. Do this part with me. So here's our hundreds chart. The first thing we're going to do is practice by ones. So when we're practicing by ones, we just count every single number. Count the numbers that are yellow with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's make it a little harder. Let's start practicing at a different number. Let's count at the number 26. Count with me. 26, your turn. Good job. Now let's practice counting by fives. When we count by fives, we count the numbers that end with 5 and the numbers that end with 0. I'm going to start with you, and then you do the rest all by yourself. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20. Keep going. 100. All right, last one we need to practice is counting by tens. What pattern do you notice here? Right? They're all at the end and they all end with 0. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, keep going. All right, great job practicing your counting. So now we're going to take a look at page 1 in your new math workbook. You don't need to fold yours like this. I'm just folding it so that you can see better. Here we go. So here's what we're going to do today. We're going to practice counting our pennies. We know that every penny is worth 1 cent. So they've already started for you. Let's practice counting. 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents. What comes next? That's right, write it. 4 cents. Keep going. 5. Okay, you can pause the video if you want and finish that line. Now let's do the next line. Nickels are worth 5 cents. So for the nickels, we're going to be counting by fives. 5, 10, 15. What comes next? That's right, 20. How many do we have all together? Write the answer there. Pause if you need to. And now let's do the dimes all together. 10. Dimes are worth 10 cents. 10, 20, 30. What comes next? What comes next? And what's the total? Pause and finish this page. Now we're going to do 2 more pages together. The next page is page 2. I want to show you on this page how we add our money together. I'm going to show you the first one, and then I'll let you finish the rest on your own. When we're adding our money together, we start with the dimes that are worth 10. Then we add the nickels. Then we add the pennies, and we count on. Look how they did it in this example. So they started with 10 cents. 10 more cents is 20 cents. 5 more cents is 25. And then we know our pennies are worth 1 cent. So we're going to keep writing 25, 26, 27, 28. Watch how we're going to do the next one. We'll start with the dimes. Remember, the dimes are worth 10 cents. So we're going to count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And now our pennies are worth 1 cent, 51, 52. All right, take some time and finish the rest of this page. But I want to show you before I go how to do one more page. This is page 3. So on this page, you're going to do the same thing that you did on the last page. You're going to add the money all together, and then you're going to see what item matches the amount of money that you have. So let's look at this example. I have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36 cents. 36 cents, I'm going to check and see which item is worth 36 cents. Oh, it's the glue. So you're going to do the same thing for each little bag of money. Count how much there is, and then find out which item you can buy with that money. Okay, friends, so this is your first day of doing math all by yourselves. I know that was a lot of stuff I just told you. So let me review it with you one more time. For today, you're going to be using this new math book, and we're going to be practicing counting money. You're going to do page 1, page 2, and page 3. If you need to, go back and watch the video again so that you can learn how to count on using the different coins. When you're finished on Seesaw, take a picture of the pages that you did, and I will check your work later today. All right, have fun with your math. See you soon.